What's up friends, welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Revolut card from your wallet on your Android. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my wallet here. Let me go ahead and find wallet. As you can see, I open wallet and you want to find that card. So once you find a Revolut card, all you have to do to remove this is to click on the card and you'll have details for that card. Click the three dots on the upper right. You'll have a lot more details here. Scroll down at the bottom, you'll find remove payment method. So once you click on that, click remove again, and that's going to quickly remove the card from your Revolut. Now, what you can do now is just simply go back to Revolut. If you want to permanently, for example, delete this card, you can quickly go back into your Revolut account and you can find the card. So you can go ahead and you can go to Revolut, you can go to the upper right, you can find that specific card. And as you can see now, it's showing add to GPay because it's no longer there. But if I want to also remove this, you can click the three dots towards the right and you can go ahead and you can terminate the card, or if you want to freeze it, you can freeze the card. It's really up to you. You can even terminate it from here as well. So that's how you can easily go ahead and, let's say, remove your Revolut card from your GPay, and of course if you want to permanently delete it as well. And that's it.